customized mailbox. A beautiful yard is more than just a green lawn and gorgeous flowers. You can literally decorate any elements if you have the time and desire. You are seeing a method to create a unique, customized mailbox. It will delight its owners and attract the attention of people passing by. The main material is pre-primed wood that you can buy in any construction store. This is ideal, especially if you want to paint the wood. The desired size of the panels is achieved using a circular saw. Then they're attached to the wooden frame using nails. To speed up the work, the worker uses a pneumatic nail gun. The letterbox has legs to stick into the ground. The recommended depth is 18 centimeters. The last stage is then painting. Here you can carry out any plans and ideas.